So at this point, I'm done using the GPT for Sheets functions. From this point forward, I'm just using the tools that are built into Google Sheets, and I'm not involving the GPT for Sheets extension. So I've got my table here, and I want to do one more cosmetic thing. I'm going to select everything and choose center. So now I've got everything centered. Now I'll select the table again, and I see down at the bottom it says convert to table. I'll click on convert to table. So now I've got a table that's a little better looking cosmetically. It's got the headings in a different format. And what I want to do is I want to put the explorers in chronological order from the first discovery to the last discovery. So I'm going to go to this year column, and there's a down arrow. I'll click on that. I'll left click on sort column, and I'll click sort A to Z. So that's going to sort it from earliest discovery to latest discovery. So I'll click sort A to Z. And now I've got the years in chronological order, and notice all the other columns synced up with the year column. So at the very top, previously I had Christopher Columbus. Now I've got Leif Erikson discovering North America around the year 1000, then Marco Polo, and all the way down to Robert Falcon Scott going to the North Pole in 1912. So that's my table that I created using the fill function in GPT for Sheets and some other complementary functions.